Used in masonry, glass bricks offer numerous advantages over traditional bricks. They distribute light beautifully and enhance the aesthetic appearance of the space. Glass bricks are more durable and resistant to breakage compared to traditional bricks. Their smooth surfaces make them easy to clean. Additionally, these bricks can contribute to energy savings in your home by providing thermal insulation. A single square meter of clay roof tiles typically weighs approximately 40 kilograms, representing just one of the various materials that roofs are designed to support. To streamline their work, roofers now have the option of utilizing the bumper system, which is designed to simplify their tasks. The setup process for the bumper system requires less than 5 minutes, and it is available in both gasoline and electric versions for added convenience. This innovative system is capable of lifting up to 80 kilograms and reaching heights of up to 9 meters within an hour, significantly enhancing efficiency. Furthermore, it has the capacity to lift numerous building material pieces, contributing to its versatility in utility. Additionally, the hoist integrated into the system allows for the careful lowering of disassembled materials, further enhancing safety and precision. Dr. Fowle employs a distinctive method for insulating both small residences and large public edifices. Remarkably, this technique is also effective for mud brick constructions. Nevertheless, the installation process demands considerable labor. Workers are required to embed sheets of hot-dip galvanized steel, each measuring 25 centimeters in width, with an overlap of approximately 4 centimeters. On a positive note, this new protective layer entirely prevents groundwater infiltration, thereby eliminating issues such as dampness, mold, and other related concerns. If the walls are already affected by dampness, they are expected to dry out within a period of approximately 3 to 4 months. The anticipated lifespan of this insulation solution is around 60 years, although it can, in practice, endure for as long as the building itself. Pave and Go represents a groundbreaking advancement in paving, entirely crafted in Italy. Its creators have successfully combined the durability of conventional pavers with a simplified installation process, thereby removing the necessity for screed or adhesive. The total thickness of the pavers ranges from 18 to 28 millimeters, making them a versatile choice for both indoor and outdoor applications. The installation process is efficient, allowing a single worker to lay 25 square meters within an hour. These pavers are constructed from porcelain and stoneware, ensuring ease of cleaning and resistance to scratches, and they feature a non-slip finish for added safety. In summary, Pave and Go represents a perfect blend of innovation, durability, and practicality, making it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their space with high-quality paving solutions. Its Italian craftsmanship, combined with advanced materials and a user-friendly installation process, sets a new standard in the paving industry. Itera Mini concrete mixers are versatile and practical tools that empower users to efficiently manage the entire concrete mixing process. These innovative attachments allow for the gathering of various materials, such as cement, sand, gravel, and water, which are essential for creating concrete. One of the standout features of these mixers is their ability to mix materials both while in motion and when stationary. This dual functionality provides users with the flexibility to choose the most convenient method for their specific project needs. Foamed concrete technology is composed of cement, sand, water, and air bubbles. This lightweight material serves as an effective method for producing thermal insulation. It presents numerous benefits compared to conventional concrete. Its applications extend to buildings, infrastructure, and various other uses. Notably, it is 6,070% lighter than traditional concrete, which leads to decreased transportation and installation expenses, as well as a reduction in the structural load of buildings. Additionally, foamed concrete can be applied swiftly and effortlessly, thereby shortening the overall construction timeline. Lightform specializes in providing builders and homeowners with innovative, energy-efficient construction solutions through its high-performance insulating concrete forms, ICFs. These advanced construction systems are designed to significantly reduce both construction time and costs, making them an ideal choice for a wide range of building projects. Lightform's ICFs come equipped with continuous polypropylene fastening strips, pre-molded corners, and a range of unique accessories that facilitate a quick and straightforward setup process. These features streamline the installation, allowing builders to efficiently assemble the forms and prepare for concrete pouring without unnecessary delays. The flat monolithic cavities of Lightform's ICFs are meticulously engineered to meet all rebar specifications, providing a robust framework that enhances the structural integrity of the building. This design not only supports the weight of the concrete but also contributes to the overall durability and longevity of the construction. By utilizing Lightform's ICF systems, builders and homeowners can achieve significant energy savings over the life of the building. The superior insulation properties of the forms help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems. This not only lowers energy bills but also contributes to a more sustainable building practice. We invite insights from the specialists within the German construction sector who pioneered this innovative formwork solution. This system incorporates multiple advancements simultaneously. Firstly, the same formwork components are versatile enough to be utilized for various applications, ranging from foundation pouring to slab construction. Secondly, the use of Polytech composite materials significantly diminishes the weight of each component, eliminating the need for cranes during assembly. The design of these elements ensures that even those with limited experience can operate them without error. Additionally, the screw fastening mechanism substantially lowers noise levels, enhancing acoustic comfort during nighttime operations. Lastly, a notable aspect of this innovation is its sustainability. German experts assert that the production process for Euro elements results in zero waste.